Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 VW Scirocco. So from any screen, you've got phone over there and you've got settings here. If you click onto settings, select telephone or Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and then down here, well, you've got Bluetooth visibility, visible, name, paired devices. We want paired devices. And you see there, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, music, the telephone, and then there's a bin there. We click the bin. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro? Yes, delete. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 VW Scirocco. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, like so. Then we're watching out at the bottom here. I do have rather a lot of things paired to my phone, but over to the system, you've got phone there, third down on the left hand side, click phone. There's no phones connected at the moment, so it's giving you the option to find telephone, which we're doing there. It's already come up here, VW BT 6471. Searching for devices. It says Bluetooth audio stop there, but we'll see what happens. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Click on that. Hands-free telephone connecting to Barry's iPhone, and here we go. 743 708 743 708 pair. And yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. You see there at the moment it says not connected, and it's connecting there. We'll just see. VW BT 6471 connected, and it's connected on the screen here. I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2017 VW Scirocco. So what we do, over to your iTunes, click on a tune, play. I'll turn it down so it doesn't come through, but when you see the tune, you see at the bottom here, iPhone and VW BT, there's a tick next to that. So that means whatever plays, whatever audio plays on your phone will come through the system, should you have the system set up right. To set the system up to play music, then you have to go to media. I'm going to turn this down. Now that's on CD, so you have to click source and then select BT audio. And that's the record that's playing on here. So I'll just turn that down, turn that up, turn it off quickly before I get a copyright strike. That's how you do that. I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2017 VW Scirocco. So from any screen, you've got Nav over here on the right hand side. Click Nav. Right, I'll just wait for that to go off. So there's a menu at the bottom. The menu's gone off now. As you put your hand towards it, the menu comes up. We want new destination. You've got country there, United Kingdom, city. Last one, Welwyn Garden City. So we'll click on that, and there's all this space. Down in the bottom, there's PTCD. That's what we want to click on. That's postcode. You'd think they'd be able to put postcode in, wouldn't you? But no. So we want the ABC, that was on 123, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston, PR. Now we want 123s, PR5, 4. All right, we might need a space there. So we need a space, so we'll put a space, 4. We need to go back to numbers, ABC, J, where's S gone? PR5, 4JS, and I have to say that is more complicated than it needs to be, but
the routes are being calculated. Please select a route.
A guy's voice. Right, so select a route, we'll go for the blue one. That's it, that's how you do it.
Please turn right after 100 yards and turn right again immediately onto the A675.
Thanks for watching.